Sorry, Sorry.
I know some of you will be looking at my hand and say, wow, it's plantain. Today, we are going to teach ourselves how to fry a perfect plantain. Fresh one, it is very fresh. I've seen many of your requests on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook on how you guys are going to fry plantain for your husband and for your boyfriend. So today is your day for you to learn how to fry a perfect plantain. Let's go to the kitchen. This is our gas, this is our oil, this is our plantain, this is our knife, this is our tray. You will now take your slicing patako.
Continue.
Your slicing patako. You sieve this one. So you now take your knife, obe. Take your oil, ogbesibi. Today we are going to use 2 of our plantain because of another tutorial that we are still going to use plantain for. So you will now cut it out. Hope you guys are seeing how I'm cutting it. Jesus! So make sure you follow what I'm teaching you. This is very, very important.
Now the first lady is calling you. Come, I want to help you.
Cut it. Make sure you cut it very neat.
What? Are you mad or something?
This is nice like that. After we have done cutting our plantain, you will now drop your knife. Take your frying pan and make sure you erase it. You don't know now, but I'm going to tell you something. Yoruba will normally say something. Pé ìmọ́tótó ló lè ṣẹ́gun gbogbo àrùn. So you know I'm very neat in my kitchen. So you will now take your isano, mass it. It is very important you off it. Junior. So yeah. Okay. So you now put your frying pan on the fire. So you will now take your oil. You see this oil, according to what is happening in our country, you will have to be very, very extraordinarily careful and know how to manage something. So you take your cover. On love is a measurement theory.
What am I trying to say?
You measure it. We measure it. 2 cover of oil is okay. It's enough. Know how to manage something in your kitchen. So right now we are going to put a special spitagunous that is going to make the thing come out well. We are going to mix it with this oil. This Pythagoras theorem that we are talking about is water.
You know what I need to tell you? No GCSE.
This is enough. So you will now pour it there. So you now put your water down. As you can see, everything is spiragus together. It's mixing together one. So you will now take your fork.
How many times would they tell you?
And carry your plantain. You will now be putting it one after the other.
You'll be mumu.
Make sure you are doing it very gently.
Yeah!
As you can see, our fresh plantain is almost done. And you can be eating it like this. You can put it down and put it inside your abo. As you can see, our plantain is coming out very fresh. It is done like this. Make it no overdone. So you will now take your serving plate or plate serving. You will now be taking it one after the other. As you can see, our plantain is very fresh. So it's ready for soft supper suppers. It's not easy to be a chef. It means saying lagun. It's not easy at all. After you have taken everything, you will now off your gas. We are done. As you can see, our fresh plantain is ready to be served, and you guys can have a taste.
No be juju be that.
No.
Emiko. Ha! So guys, I hope you guys have learned how to fry a fresh plantain. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
May God not allow them make them.